This street is called Travessa do Fogueiro, and it's on Lago, so we're probably going to do both. So in my effort to film all the different streets of Macau, this is one that I want to film. Have it on my map. Let's put this up on the map. We're in these little alleys. We'll explore a little bit to the sides as well and see where it both goes out on both sides. So stay tuned. Up on the map. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. So we'll start here. This is this little Fogueiro. We're deep in the alley, so this is going to be a dead end right there, as you can see. And then Lagos is the other one. So we have this little Travessa do Fogueiro, and it's going to end right here, and that's going to be the ending spot. But then we're going to capture around here so you can get some context of it. And Lagos is the other alley, so we're just basically sandwiched where no cars can come in here. Some motorcycles can, but that's about it. So yeah, in this area it's like quite dense, very dense. Let's just kind of take a look. We're gonna go to the base of this street first, and you can see the context of where we are, and then we're gonna go back. So this is gonna be Lago, Travessa do Lago. Lago means lake, lake lane. Okay, so let's go out here. This is basically all the stuff out here, and then we're just gonna go on in. Check out all these cages that go all the way up like that, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you got 7. Okay. So this is Lago, Travessa do Lago. There's a can do some kind of some little hidden stuff in here. Haircut is only 50 mop, and then there's also a clothes altering there too. Usually people go to Zhuhai, China, but I think maybe here it might actually be quite affordable. See a little barber shop. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it's just a little narrow. So you can see here. Kind of cool. So these alleys are pretty amazing. Here's a employment agency. So visitor not accepted. Macau residents and Macau identity cards. Okay. So we're gonna come right out to another street, and we'll just kind of give you some context. Let's see what this is. I thought there might be a temple right there. Sometimes I have little temples and shrines like right there. All these cages. Forest Home. Hello. Forest Home Cafe. I cannot. I'm going to the dentist.
Is it okay, Paul?
Thank you so much. So this is Forest Home Cafe.
Yeah.
It sounds good. Thank you. Oh.
Bye.
Bye. I'm actually going to go to the dentist in a little while, so but that's very friendly. If somebody can stop by, just say hello. It's on the street, so if you're watching, definitely go and say hi. It's cool. I won't film that. And we'll come out to the end. Alright, pretty sunny. Okay, so that's, let me just kind of walk over here briefly. Just kind of give you some context of everything. So we're Alegria is nearby, and that was this little Lago. That's this other tiny little street in there as well. Okay, Alegria. Okay. Down here is like some little market stuff down this way. So we're just gonna come back here, and then we're gonna end it back on our street. But you can kind of see where it comes out, and these are all where all the cars can come out and such. And that's Travessa to Lago. Yeah, I'm trying to give that guy some business if you get a chance.